Man, if you bounce out the ice cream out of my hand. And you must have seen a space there, so. Hey guys, morning, what going? Well, I'm very excited because I am on my way to Birmingham. I'm going to be dining with some wonderful Jamaican people. So I'm actually going to see Joe and Lisa up there in Birmingham. And then we're having dinner. We're having dinner with Ricky Life 365. And we're having dinner with Cooking with Bling and the family vlog. So it's gonna be a really great experience. I'm actually sort of late-ish, but I think I'll be on time. So here we are, guys. So for this dinner, I'm going to be doing sweet potato ice cream, and it's in collaboration with Jolisa's Come Dine With Me Jamaican Style. So I chose some exotic fruit, the sweet potato and the pomegranate, and I am going to be trying to make for you sweet potato ice cream. So check it out. All right, so here we have it, guys. These are my ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this sweet potato ice cream. I've used the white sweet potato because I don't want it to have a funny color, and Jolisa and all these guests criticize and say that it don't look right. So I've opted for the white potato. I have my condensed milk, my vanilla, my heavy cream, which is white cheese in French, and I just took a bit of pomegranate, or what we call pomegranate in Jamaica. And these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to do our sweet potato ice cream. So what I've done, I've sort of diced the sweet potatoes to make it easier to cook and stuff. And I'm actually going to blend it afterwards. So the camera shakes so much, guys. I don't have a tripod. And I'm using this iPad. I'm using an iPad because I just get one, and to be honest with you, the phone is not working so well anymore. So this is what we're going to do. The water is boiling, so I'm going to just throw this into the pot for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back. So to be honest with you, I'm not even sure. The zoom on this thing is not working so well. So I'm just going to have to use it and see what the outcome will be. So this is my heavy cream. It's white cheese, actually. So I'm just going to give it a little mix here. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to add a bit of vanilla. Guys, you can add whatever spice you want to. When I say spice, I mean you could add nutmeg, you could add cinnamon. But I personally don't eat nutmeg, and I don't like cinnamon. So, so I'm just going to make this as plain as possible. So I'm just gonna, give our cream a little bit of a stir here. And then I'm gonna add some vanilla and continue stirring, just to lighten it up a bit. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to wait for the potato to finish cooking and draining, because we don't want too much water in the ice cream, because we don't want ice crystals. So at the moment, I'm just planing my cream here for a while. And, it's very awkward because I don't have a tripod. So, all right, so I've added my vanilla, about 1 tablespoon or so. I don't have any nutmeg, so I went up to 1 tablespoon. It's really based on what you like, guys. So I'm just gonna continue stirring my cream to make it light. You see, it's already starting to look a lot more like ice cream. It's a lot more creamy already. Yeah, that's what stirring the. I don't really have a hand mixer. Guy, me not really cooking on them something, you know. I cook a lot, but I don't bake. So I don't have the hand mixer and electric mixer and all them stuff that people have for, you know, do all of them spicy and nice videos. I'm doing it as plain as ever. I can't pretend to be nobody. So I'm just doing what I can, guys. So this is my cream, just continuing to play with it. The vanilla is in, and I'm just going to wait for my potatoes to finish cooking, and then we're gonna get into the bam bam side of things. In the meantime, guys, well, Jolisa them not invite me to dinner, and the people them not come. Because I don't want to just be eating ice cream. So I'm really hoping those people will turn up. And Miss Joe and Lisa said they're going to do some nice pudding. So this is actually going to be quite great, guys. All right, so you see my cream is now starting to look really nice. Really nice. Yeah. All right, so we have our sweet potatoes that's cooked and diced and drained. And actually, I'm gonna pour that into the blender now, but my place small enough, I have no big space. So I'm blending my condensed milk and my sweet potato. My mother always said when I blend, if I turn off the blender and turn it on back, so don't ask me why. Alright, so let's see what's here. So we've pureed our potato and our condensed milk, and we're gonna pour it into our white cheese, heavy cream. We're going to just mix it in. I chose the white sweet potato because I just think that it goes better with the whole ice cream theory. You don't really want a sweet potato pudding you're making, or sweet potato pudding ice cream. So the white potato is a lot less, it's not as strong as the others. So I actually prefer it. So I'm gonna try use my both hands, but we're just mixing this into our cream. My God. It looks really nice, guys. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but trust me, it looks nice. I wonder if we can taste piece. No, it's not bad at all. If you say I want a little more milk though, I'm gonna pour some more milk in it. And I try to save some milk to make some tea, but they say, people, if the butter is anything to go by, then this is going to be very, very good. This is going to be very, very good. And it's going to be a nice mix with Bling's chicken and Ricky's French fried. I'm saying I do again, I don't remember. French fries is another. I mean, I'm the Frenchman, I mean, should I not do the French fried, but this is really good. So, what we're gonna do, I've made a mess, but you know, say, man, make enough mess already. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the cream into this container. I'm gonna seal it because as I said before, I don't really want the ice cream to be making ice, you know. So it's important to cover it and seal it. And I'm gonna leave this into the deep freeze overnight, and then we're gonna see what the final touch is tomorrow. But yes, we're on our way, guys, and the batter tastes so good. As I've done this here, I'm not supposed to put me on people them food, you know, but tastes good, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. I forgot to lift some here because I can't carry everything out Birmingham. No way. I'm gonna start share my doggy bag from now because this is very, very good. So this is what it looks like. I've poured it into these containers. I'm gonna seal them. This one is the one I'm taking with me, the big one. And that little one is the one that I'm gonna eat for myself. So, yes, here we go, guys. This is gonna go into the refrigerator. I'm gonna just seal it very tight, cover them, and put them in. And we are going to see what the final touch is, but the batter is very good. So yes, guys, we're on our way. What am I going to do with this? I'm just going to use the red seeds and salt. I put it on top of the ice cream to give it a little bright color. I'm no designer and stuff like that, but I'm going to try. This is a very great idea. I'm very happy to participate. So we're going to see what my part of this deal is going to be like, and I'll see you later. So here we have it, guys. This is the final product. My freezer is it's like a deep freeze, so I think it got a little bit too frozen, the ice cream. But I'm going to try to see what we can make of it. I tried to do a little potato design there with my pomegranate. So I'm gonna delve in. It's very tough. Tough, man. So it's not as creamy as I would have wanted it. It's a little bit, there's a bit of crystals in it. So I think maybe the potato had a little bit too much water. But that's my final product. I'm going to now just add a little bit of pomegranate and let's see what the final result is going to look like. So, I mean, sorry guys, I don't have a tripod, so I just had to make do with what I could do. So this is the final results for my sweet potato ice cream. I had some because I did two. And trust me, it is really delicious. Even though it came out a little bit too icy. I think because my freezer was a bit too high. But in any event, guys, let me tell you something. It was amazing. And this is what we're going to share now with me, Joe, Lisa, Bling, and Ricky. Yes. So there you have it. Me that you was to say. Me have piece of, me mess up my table there. But there you have it, guys. Sweet potato ice cream. So if you haven't yet subscribed to all of us, guys, who are in this collaboration, I'm going to ask you to do so. JamFête here, collaborating with Jolisa, with Ricky Life 365, and with Cooking with Bling and Family. So I hope you enjoy. Now I have a train to catch, so see you guys later. Why the food tastes nice. Yeah, man, it's really good. The ice cream is so good, guys. The ice cream, so good. Lisa, when I forgot pack me a doggy bag in there. This thing is so good. And the ice cream, yummy. Tastes good, man. Wow. This is really good, guys. Listen, it's very good. Trust me, the ice cream tastes good. Yeah, man, I'm not have to try it. Sweet potato ice cream. Whoa. I would never have thought that it would be this good. So guys, we start like this cooking thing, you know, so please like, share, and subscribe. And I might very well go into the kitchen and do another dish. But I'm very happy with this one. It's very good. Very, very good. Anybody come for dinner in my yard, and this me I gonna get them. So Joe, I go think somebody hide some, you know. Whenever I bring everything, I have some left in my fridge at Paris. I want some doggy bag, by the way. Yeah, man. Everything was very good.